Andres.
Hi.
First of all, congratulations that you just had your report voted at the Committee of the Regions. This is a big success, your own initiative. So could you tell us what are the main outcomes and why is this important today?
Thank you very much. This is true. This Committee of the Region plenary right now voted about my opinion about housing, about smart and sustainable housing. And I think this is important for that reason that we feel all in European level that housing is in some crisis. And we feel like different levels of the housing, that's something we must change. We feel this in level of the housing companies. We feel this in level of housing organization, the public organization, cooperative organization, governmental, local authorities, housing organization. We feel this in level, political level, with different level, with the level of cities and region and the governments level and all European level. That we need some new housing agenda. We need some new over European policy what is related with housing. You know, right now housing is like a deal of every member state. But some questions like energy efficiency, some questions of affordability of housing, some questions as how is regulated the price level and the credits and financing of housing, how is regulated the renovation, everything such kind of question we need more over European policies.
And if you can highlight some of the main outcomes, what is going to be what can be taken on the ground from 27 EU member states? Of course, I guess it's a very, how to say, adaptable document that everybody can interpret in a different way. But what are the common points that you see and that you wanted to send as a message to the 27 EU member states?
I think most message is that we need a new housing paradigm. This means, first of all, in my opinion, is affordability. We see in every member state in European Union does this affects even in the middle class, even middle class workers, as medical workers, as police workers. They could not live there where is his working places. They go to the work 1 hour drive with train or this is not anymore affordable. The young generations have no access to the housing market. This is the big problem. We know the students' cities where students cannot study in universities. They have no able to pay these rents what is going in the market. We have many such kind of social issue what we must take care. If you go to the banks, the credits are so high, the building price is going too high, and I understand in the level of cities and regions, the Committee of the Region understand this is everyday question for every mayor or local councillor. People coming to him say, we are not able to live anymore in such kind of conditions. We are not affordable to live this. And same time question is about energy poverty. We, in the winter times, we pay all our money for the energy bills. This is coming every year higher and higher, even in middle class family where two men and women working, even they have right now difficult to pay the energy question. This is the first thing. Maybe second thing is the renovation and energy using of the housing stock in Europe. We have in the housing stock we use like 30–40% of European all energies. And what we can do with this, we need to renovate the old buildings what is built in 50s, 60s, 70s. They lose a lot of energy, and we just pay in the air over money. This is what the European Union must keep some new European financing model, general, like European Housing Fund. Right now we have 19 different financing things, but this must be united with one strong housing measures for the European Commission, from the new European Parliament. This is message what citizen regions give to the elections to the new European Parliament. As we need more attention to the housing. This housing is everyday questions. Every citizen in European Union, even in the rural areas, even the big capitals. This is housing is one of most topics what we speak in European Union. And third is all this security situation what we have right now in Europe. We have a war in Ukraine. We have migration. We have migration from the south. We have migration from the east. We understand this terrible situation. This is war situation. But how we can manage in the European level with level of local and regional authorities? How we can help those people? How we can give the opportunity to have housing opportunity. That we want to not see the homeless people in the street. This is everything what is written in the opinion.
So you've managed to pack very big topics in the report. I'm thinking you yourself, you operate in Estonia, you're Estonian, and Estonia was very specific in multiple ways. So we saw the highest inflation, very big impact from the Russian invasion, but also very good examples. Estonia has often been given as a good example in the past years on how you've managed to renovate bigger districts. So give the people who would see this interview a little bit of a taste of what is the current housing situation in Estonia, what are the biggest challenges, but what you have also would say are the biggest successes in the past few years.
Thank you. Of course, Estonia is a small country, but I think we have had quite good success how we changed from former Soviet Union to new and market basic housing situation. We can say this Estonian is land of housing cooperatives, homeowners associations, and I think this is in some case we have quite success story. The leaders and the chairperson of the homeowners association, they are doing great job in last 20 years. We see how our cities and region are changed after renovation. We using technologies what is quite modern, even if you compare it in the European level, even in the world level. We use renovation with prefabricated panels, that we use digitalization to measure all these things. I think we are really, I'm sometimes feeling even in this case we have first in Europe, we have the highest interest, the highest credits for the housing, but same times the people really homeowners association are ready to invest. They invest to renovation medium building like 40, 60 apartments, invest like around €2 million for the renovation, for the better indoor climate, for the saving the energy cost. We have some small cities like I myself come, city of Rakvere, almost Sovietic time buildings are renovated. They're using renewable energy. They have at home. They have fresh air. They have living costs are low. We have a lot of positive things. What we can give examples for the, especially I think maybe for the new member states from European Union, but same from the other members who have been in the European Union more longer. And Estonia has been only 20 years as member of European Union. I think we are proud about Estonian people, about Estonian housing cooperatives. We have housing cooperatives, private-owned housing stock is around 90% in Estonia. This means this is main housing form in Estonia. So they're doing great job, I think.
And a last question on my side. What is happening from here? So you've had the report, it's been approved, great support. What are the next steps? What are you expecting that will happen afterwards? And as you said, we are in a year of elections, European elections, but also at national level, we see plenty of elections going on. So how would you like to see this report advancing, let's say, until the end of the year and the following year?
After voting and plenary in the Committee of the Region, this is official European Union legislative act. And I think this is quite good document to the new members of European Parliament, new commissioners who could be responsible about housing, to really hear the voice in the bottom level, in the level of citizen region, in the level of the citizen, the people, what the people need. Does the citizen most closest level is the local municipal level or regional level, and there is many good examples for the new how we can build up the new policies in the next 5 years, how we can support everything what I say, the affordability, the renovation, the accessibility of the housing, everything so human and close to people solution what we really need. This is some advising document for the new parliament, for the new commission, and I think for even the member of Housing Europe. You can have some background information, some basic data from there, and see the view, the citizen region, how the level, local level, the people see the leaders of the citizen region around Europe.